not here to throw stones at anybody. I just tell it as I know it. That many people, you know, when you're young, a lot of people want to play with you, but not many want to pray with you. Pray with you.
Stop looking, be patient, stop watching when the pot cooking. It's almost done, I get it done. I don't let nothing linger, I finish them. 2 birds in 1 stone. I just wanna get mines. Don't have me out here wildin' with the chrome. I don't got love for 'em, it's no room left for it. Niggas snitching and singing to the cops like a chorus. All we got is us. It's too late in the game for misguided trust. It's your fault, they got you in the crib tied up. Burn bridges and now your favors all dried up. Like a drought in the summer, up go the coke price. I don't give a fuck, so I say fuck your whole life. And put the green light on them, take 2 of these and call a coroner in the morning.
Y'all can't fuck with these bums. They wanna test my aim and challenge my gun. The devil wanna try my hand, but God got a master plan. Y'all can't fuck with these niggas, can't fuck with these, can't fuck with these bitches. Big cold day in Kingston when I ain't dope. The rosters will cut they dreads and worship the Pope. I got the best of all time verse. My shit quotable, remarkable rap. I stand out on the tune. Big teams are gone. You just a crumb on my plate, blown away if I breathe too hard. You like a comment on IG, nobody cares. Crawl back under that rock, the Giants is here. For the daughters of men, the infamous master race of hip-hop legends. If you follow the North Star, it'll lead you up top to the state of New York. She never heard talk like this. I capture attention. My gab is a gift from God for you to listen and learn a new language, bitch. I speak truth. You don't know what I'm saying. You don't understand, do you? Well, balance is the best translator. Bullets are universal. See, now you can relate to a dog. Y'all can't fuck with these bums. They wanna test my aim and challenge my gun. The devil wanna try my hand, but God got a master plan. Y'all can't fuck with these niggas, can't fuck with these, can't fuck with these bitches. The devil wanna try my hand, but God got a master plan.